I think that team members need to know what the goals are. And there's something called scoreboarding. And scoreboarding is basically how well would the team do if they didn't know the score until the game was over. I think that's the way a lot of team members feel. They have no idea how well or how poorly the practice is doing. And I think that's very unfair to your team members. They really need to have some insight into that. So the first thing that I would ask is, are team members aware of the successes and certainly the failures of your practice? In addition to that, what are the goals of your hospital? Do you have a mission statement? Is there an overall agreement among the team members as to what it is that we are trying to accomplish and what we're trying to do within the practice? And then, is that shared by all? Do we discuss that at our team meetings? And what is each individual employee's contribution to that? Let's say that we in our practice decide that we want to improve our dentals and we're going to go from 25 a month to 50 a month or something like that. What does every employee need to know that they have to do to help us to achieve that goal? So the receptionist certainly is going to review the record before they come in, maybe hand a pamphlet to the client if the pet does need a dental. The exam room technician is going to show them the dental grading chart, and we'll look at the pet's teeth, we'll look at the grading chart, make the comparisons there, educate the client. Obviously the doctor is going to follow up and make the recommendation on that as well. When the pet comes in, how is the procedure performed, when the discharge is done, the entire process, everyone needs to know what is their component of that. What are they doing to help to make that more successful? So I think the goals of the practice need to be expressed to everybody. They need to be very, very clear. Everyone needs to know what contribution they're going to make to that. And then the scoreboarding component, how well are we doing? Again, getting back to that dental, I'd like to have a graph up on the wall. And I would like to show the number of dentals that we're doing all during that month. And if we have a goal of 50, boom, how are we doing to get to that? The last component to really make this happen is the employees need to know what's in it for them. And some managers, practice owners have an issue with that because they really don't want to deal with that. They don't want to, they're getting paid and that's all that they should really be concerned about. But the reality is your employees are working really hard right now. You're asking them to do something in addition. What is the reward to them? And in the case of our dental example, maybe we'll do a complimentary dental cleaning on their own personal pet. Maybe the employees will get a nice dinner that we can all go out and celebrate. Maybe there will be a $50 bonus, whatever it is that you guys decide upon. But there is that component, what's in it for me or the healthcare team member. And if you're going to set the goals, again, develop them, make sure everybody's aware of them. If you're going to get the whole team working together here, you need to make sure that they have that answered as well. What's in it for me? But that is one of the areas that I would really consider. I think you're going to find that goal setting and getting everybody working together to do that can be a major bonus for your practice.